Hello internet world, it's time to get creative with this range of accessories from SHIFTCAM. I have got some really good products here, very kindly sent in free of charge from SHIFTCAM. They haven't asked me to say anything in particular, no money's changed hands. I'm just sharing this video with you so you get to see the products and so that you can make an informed buying decision. So I've got the SNAPGRIP Lite kit, I've also got their Tech Pouch L, I've got their Workflow Lens Cube L. I've also got this small little magnetic clip, and I will show you this in the video. This is their Workflow Sling L, a really nice camera bag. So without further ado, let's get on with the reviews. This is the SHIFTCAM Workflow Tech Pouch L. The L stands for the large version of this pouch. And these are designed to work in combination with other bags and accessories in the SHIFTCAM range. And the idea behind this one is you're going to be able to actually store things like adapters, charging cables, power banks, hubs, memory cards, even a portable hard drive in this really neat little bag. And you'll notice that on the bag there are indeed quite a few zips. So there is this outer zip as well, and this is so that you can connect the pouches in the range together. We've also got this back pocket here, which is really useful. And then the main zip, which is just here, nice pull tabs as well on these, reveals the inside of said bag. There's also a little pop stud and pocket on the front as well. And when we open this up, you'll see that the organisation in here is really very nice. So you can actually store lots of different accessories in here. You've got room for a hard drive and a hub in here as well. Lots of cables, and you can keep everything really nicely organised. I think this is a great little addition to the SHIFTCAM range. This is the Workflow Tech Pouch L. I'm really impressed at how organised you can be with this pouch. This is the SHIFTCAM Workflow Lens Cube L, and as with the other bags and pouches in the range, this is designed to really get you organised. It also works in combination with the other bags and pouches in the range. You can fit inside here a mobile lens, for example, a filter, camera cleaning kit, so much more besides. And you can also organise the dividers inside here as well. You'll notice there is this outer zip, and this is so that you can actually attach this to other bags and pouches in the range. A little bit of SHIFTCAM branding on here. This is a semi-rigid case, so it's nice and protective on the bottom. We've got this zip that goes around the top edge here. Nice texture to the front, I really do like that. And then inside, you've got this really nice padding just here, and then plenty of room in here for lenses and filters, for example. Now these aren't full-size camera lenses you're going to be putting in here. These are like iPhone or smartphone lenses. Really nice that you can organise them. You can adjust these dividers as well. It's a nice way of doing this. Instead of having Velcro in here, you've just got these sliding pieces which you can slide to give different size sort of apertures in here for different size lenses. I like the way they've done that. I also like the fact that this has got nice rigid sides to it, so it's going to really protect your iPhone or smartphone lenses. And then we've got these elastic straps at the back, so you can pop some filters under these as well. Really nice job on this one, beautifully designed, really good case for your mobile photography accessories. This is the SlingSnap from SHIFTCAM. It's a magnetic phone mount. And again, this is going to work in combination with all the other accessories in the SHIFTCAM range. We've got a little tiny sort of lanyard here with a carabiner clip. We've also got this here. I'm not sure what this is, haven't worked this out yet, but we've got this additional piece just here. And then we've also got the magnetic sticker, which is going to go on the back of your smartphone. And then this is the clip. It really adheres nice and firmly. And this is going to allow you to clip this on to your sling bag, for example. And then we've got this magnetic mount for easy removal of your smartphone. I think it's really nicely made, good quality plastics used here, and a really well thought out accessory. It's a super useful addition to the SHIFTCAM range. This is the SHIFTCAM SNAPGRIP Lite kit. This is an all-in-one magnetic gear for your phone, and it's MagSafe compatible. It works with all phones as well. If we take a look round on the back here, we've got the SNAPGRIP itself. We've got a really nice pouch We've also got a Snap Lite, so it's like a little tiny flip up ring light. We've got a charge cable as well and a magnetic sticker. Inside the box we do get an instruction guide. This is going to guide you through connecting wirelessly for shutter control on your smartphone. That's really nice. Also how to use the Snap Light and adjust the brightness on the Snap Light as well. And it says here, of course, compatible with MagSafe. Now, also inside the box we do get the charge cable. We also get a little, sort of looks like a SIM removal tool. This is a little removal tool here. We get a really nice case. I love the fact that this case is moulded to the shape of the SNAPGRIP. Really nice indeed. I love this. And then we've got this really nice pull which allows you to close or open the zip, of course. And then when we open this up inside, the beautiful SNAPGRIP, which is available in different colours, is presented. Very, very nice indeed. Now the idea behind this is you're going to stick this magnet to the back of your smartphone or your smartphone case. That's what I do. And then it clips into place here. So this is then going to be attached to your smartphone. And then you connect this via Bluetooth and you have got a shutter control. We've also got the ring light on the front as well, which is really nice to see. Little power button there for the ring light. And that allows you to obviously light up your subject. Gives you a nice grip to your phone, turns it into a compact camera. I think this is beautifully designed. I really do like it. It's worked flawlessly for me. The ring light, yeah, it's not mega powerful, but at least it's there and it allows you to light up your subject to a certain degree. It does go quite bright in all fairness, and it's a very useful addition to the SNAPGRIP Lite. Also, you'll note there is a mirror, which is useful for taking those selfies with the main camera on your phone. Again, I think this is beautifully designed. Love everything about it. This is the SNAPGRIP Lite kit from SHIFTCAM. What we've got here is the SHIFTCAM Workflow Sling L. This is a shoulder bag, ideal for carrying your camera around in. Maybe you've got a mirrorless camera. Maybe you're heavily into your iPhone photography as well, and this can fit all of the accessories in from the SHIFTCAM range. Just take a look at this little swing tag here. Gives you an idea of what you can fit inside. You can even fit a compact tripod, a drone, a phone, mobile lens, a mirrorless camera, even an 11-inch tablet inside this really compact bag. Very, very nice indeed. It's also showing you magnetic phone mount. Now you don't get the magnetic phone mount in here, but it's showing you it will work with the magnetic phone mount that's in the SHIFTCAM range. We've got some nice branding here. We have got this pocket on the front here, which is really well organised. You're going to be able to fit a lot of stuff inside there. It's got like a magnetic closure as well, really nice and secure. If we take a look on the top, there is top entry to the bag. So if we open here, I've left all the padding in just because it's easier to show you it in this nice sort of shape. But here we have got plenty of room for all of your accessories and gear. We've got organisational pockets as well here for your phone and all your accessories. Really nice that we've got this sort of limited entry top section. And then if we look at the very top at the back here, we've got this zip that comes all the way round the sides, and this is going to allow you to open up the bag a little bit easier, so you've got better entry into the inside. Let's just remove that packaging. I just like to see the bags plumped out. When they're empty, they don't look great. But here we have got this back pocket where we can pop our tablet up to an 11-inch tablet. You can see the phone slot a bit better here as well. We've got some elasticated pockets. It really does work well. And then if we look at the back, we've got a very nice back panel to the bag, nice single carry handle, and this nice seatbelt type strap on the back. Again, with plenty of padding on the shoulder strap, plus an additional little slot here for another magnetic phone mount. Really nice bag this, absolutely love it. I love the colour of it, I love the quality, fit and finish is brilliant, and it does accommodate a lot of gear. This is the Workflow Sling L from SHIFTCAM. So I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, please do hit that like button, and if you want to purchase any of the products I've shown you in this video for yourself, there are links down in the video description. Thank you again for watching. Please do consider subscribing, and I'll see you in another video very, very soon.